In this video, I'm going to show you how to hang these shelves. We're going to do it right now. So here's our little bar area with our bar cart. And we got these shelves on Amazon. We're going to hang them right here. This one comes with these slots to hang stemmed wine glasses. And then this one does not have any. So we can hang them. You can hang them however you want, but I'm going to put one right here and then stagger this other one up here. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So these shelves happen to come with anchors and screws. And these are actually really good anchors. These are the ones that I prefer. You can use whatever you want. But the first thing I want to do, because they actually make it kind of easier than a regular shelf where you have to do a bracket on the bottom. These actually have pre-drilled holes. There's one right here and one right here. And they're 16 inches apart, which is regular stud framing. So if you're gonna hit a stud, more than likely 16 inches from that, you'll hit another stud. I don't think I'm gonna hit any studs, but we're gonna try. But I'm going to put them wherever I want, and that's what is good about the anchors. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the two screws and start them in these holes. And I want to make it so they just stick out just a little bit in the back. Just barely. Do that with both of them. I'm actually going to hold the screw in a little bit because I'm going to hold this in different places on the wall and I don't want to mark up the wall too bad. And I'm going to hold this one up wherever I like it. And then I'm going to check with the wife, make sure that's where she wants it. Wife says it's good. So put my level on here. And I'm just going to make sure the bubble is in the center, and that's perfect. So as I hold this, I can take the level down and grab my screw gun and just drill these in a little bit. And all I'm doing here, I'm not hanging them. I'm just making a mark, and then I can unscrew them. And take the shelf down. And now you have marks for where those holes are. So before I drill out for the anchors, I'm going to take the other screws and just check and see if there's any studs here. And there's no stud there. I can tell because it spins freely. I'll check this one. And there's no stud there. So if there was a stud there in either one of these, I could just not put an anchor wherever that stud was and just put an anchor where there isn't a stud, because that stud would hold the shelf up. So now I'm going to take the anchors and a drill bit, and this isn't completely necessary. You could probably just hammer these right in. They're kind of made for that. But to make it easier, I'm going to take a drill bit that's a little smaller than this tip here and drill these holes. That's one, two. And then I can take my anchors and start them in there, take the hammer. This is how these work. You just hammer them in until you get some of the thread, and you screw them in. And you want these to be a little dug into the sheetrock. They can be flush, but I like digging them in just a little bit. And do the same with this one. Perfect. And now, when you go to hang the shelf, you don't have to worry about messing with the level because your anchors are already level. So I'm going to take the screws and drill them through a little bit. Might be a little too much. And then this one. And I can take the shelf and line it up so that the screws fit into the anchors and screw them in. All right, that looks good. Feels solid. And then we can do the same with this one. And this just helps just to get them started so you're not fumbling around with the screws or the gun or anything. Obviously you can do this by hand if you want. The gun makes it way easier. And then for aesthetic reasons, over here, I'm gonna measure because I have a wall standing on its own. So this is 4 7/8. So on this side, I want to hang this shelf about here. So here-ish, I'm gonna mark 4 7/8, just so at least on the sides, they're gonna be the same distance. Level on, and that's good. I can make my marks with my screws. We're good. And I'm going to take these screws and check for studs. Nothing. And nothing. So I'm going to do anchors. I'll just put these back in. Okay. Drill my holes the same way. Have to vacuum up the mess afterwards. It's really awesome that they give you these big anchors for these things. A lot of companies don't give you anything really. And I will leave a link in the description to these actual shelves, but hopefully this can apply to whatever you're hanging, or at least you get some ideas. That one. And that one. Screw these in. This one. Perfect. I'll hold my shelf up, match up those anchors. Right there. Okay, now we can decorate. Go. All set. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Maybe it gave you some ideas, maybe it gave you an idea of how to hang a different type of shelf. But like I said, if you're interested in these ones, I'll leave a link in the description over to Amazon, and that will be an affiliate link, so I'll get a small commission, which helps support this channel. And if you are a first-time viewer, please subscribe for more content like this. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.